Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change from alphanumeric password to pattern lock password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, lock your tablet and try to unlock. It will ask your current alphanumeric password. Here my current alphanumeric password is Mickey17. Mickey17 and click on the tick mark. So I would like to here change from Mickey17 to a pattern password. Okay, so what I have to do is just follow this video. Just go to the settings of your tablet here, then go to security here, and here select screen lock, and now you have to type your alphanumeric password for authentication. So type Mickey17 and click on enter. Now you have to choose here pattern, draw the pattern that you want to set. So here just I draw this pattern, click on next, again draw the same pattern to verify, click on confirm, and yes. Now screen lock password has been changed from alphanumeric password to screen lock password. Now check it, screen lock pattern password. Okay, it will ask my pattern now. Yes, I have unlocked using the pattern that I set now. So in this way you can easily change from alphanumeric password to screen lock pattern password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.